Network Security Basics, a guide to protecting your network. Network security is the practice of securing a computer network infrastructure against unauthorized access, misuse, modification, or denial of service. It involves implementing various technologies and processes to protect the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of information transmitted over the network. Key components of network security. Firewall. A firewall acts as a barrier between your internal network and external networks, filtering incoming and outgoing traffic based on predefined security rules. Encryption. Encryption converts data into a code to prevent unauthorized access. It ensures that even if data is intercepted, it remains protected. Intrusion Detection Systems, IDS. IDS monitor network traffic for suspicious activity or patterns that may indicate a security breach. Password security. Strong passwords are essential for network security. Implementing password policies and multi-factor authentication can enhance your network's defense. Network security solutions and tools. Firewalls. Hardware or software-based firewalls that monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic. Antivirus software. Programs that detect and remove malware and viruses from your network. Intrusion prevention systems, IPS. Security appliances that monitor network traffic and block suspicious activity in real time. Virtual private networks, VPNs. Secure connections that allow users to access a private network over a public network securely. Conclusion. In conclusion, network security is a critical aspect of maintaining the integrity and confidentiality of your data.